Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Brian back at it again. Today I have an exciting update. So, as you know, Prime Trade Lines, the most reliable current supplier, dropped the new Cash App method. Now, these screenshots actually are from my clients. I sent these over, I tested it with my clients, and it's been hitting ever since last week. If you look at this, $8,500 instantly within 6 minutes. Over here, $8,600. Over here, $6,200. Over here, 4,000. Over here, 8,100. These are all within 5 minutes. So if you want the $5,000 package, this is anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000. It will cost $400. If you want $10,000, which is generally anywhere from 8 to 10,000, it'll be $800. Now, I recommend everyone to do this as soon as possible. If you guys don't know, Cash App methods usually get fixed within a couple weeks, if not a couple months. So this one just came out last week, and all my clients are spamming it. So make sure you guys get on this ASAP. Have a good one, guys.